Is it possible to appeal a decision from a state court? In recent news, many people are questioning their rights within the judicial system. A hot topic right now is whether it is possible to appeal a decision from a state court. If you have recently faced a court ruling and are wondering about your options, you are not alone. Let's break down the appeal process and what it means for individuals seeking justice. Yes, it is indeed possible to appeal a decision from a state court. When someone involved in a case believes that the trial court made a legal mistake that impacted the outcome, they can request a higher court to review that decision. This process is known as an appeal. Appeals usually focus on whether there were errors during the trial that significantly influenced the verdict. These errors can be categorized as prejudicial or reversible errors. Prejudicial errors are mistakes that likely affected the trial's result, justifying a review by an appellate court. Reversible errors are serious mistakes that lead the appellate court to change or overturn the lower court's decision. However, the right to appeal is not automatic in every case. Certain conditions must be met. The party appealing, known as the appellant, must typically show that the error was prejudicial. This means it impacted the fairness or outcome of the trial. Some errors, like denying the right to legal counsel, are automatically considered prejudicial because they affect the trial's fundamental fairness. The appeal process can vary by state, but generally, it involves filing a notice of appeal within a specific time frame after the trial court's decision. The appellant must present legal arguments explaining why the decision should be changed. The appellate court reviews the trial record and the legal issues raised but usually does not re-examine factual evidence or hear new testimonies. In criminal cases, defendants have the right to appeal their convictions or sentences. However, they must meet procedural requirements, such as timely filing and demonstrating that their rights were violated during the trial. For instance, a defendant may appeal if the court improperly denied their request to representing themselves. Courts must ensure that such waivers of counsel are made knowingly and intelligently. Appealing a state court decision is a recognized part of the judicial system, designed to ensure fairness and correct legal errors. The appeal must be based on specific legal grounds, and procedural rules must be followed for the appellate court to consider the case. If you believe you have grounds for an appeal, it is important to consult with a legal expert to navigate this complex process effectively.